You are going to love the 2017 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, keyless entry, power lift gate, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.